Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix Vinted Preloved marketplace not working on the device. Now if you want to fix the Vinted Preloved marketplace not working on the device, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. There may be various reasons behind it. The Preloved marketplace may not be working on a device. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi on a device at the very first step. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi and it's still not working, then you need to simply open App Store on a device and check Vinted Preloved marketplace. So if there is any update available, then you need to simply update the app on a device, and you need to make sure that it is up to the latest version on a device. So as you can see, I have already updated it to the latest version. So after that, if it is working, then that's good. If that's not working, then you need to go on settings on a device and you need to click on the option of general and click on iPhone storage. So on the iPhone storage, you need to find the Vinted app on a device. So click on show all, and here is the Vinted app, and you need to click on the option of offload app to fix the error which are happening on a device. So after offloading the app, you will see the option of reinstall app. So simply reinstall the app again to fix the errors or issues which are happening on a device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.